What's going on, everyone? So today I'm going to be finishing up my rear disc conversion by redoing the lines and putting a adjustable brake proportioning valve in so that I don't lock up the rear tires. It's not going to be a whole lot of commentary today. Mostly I'm just going to be running lines on the diff, which I probably could have reused those lines that were for the discs or for the drums, but I'm just gonna redo them because I've redone every other brake line, so why not? All right, so I'm under the truck now. I'm gonna put the proportioning valve in first. So this is in, this is out, because it's gonna be convenient for the knob to be pointing down. It's just not gonna be legible. I'm just gonna mount it like this. So I've got the line loose. I was an idiot and I already put fluid in the system and everything like that, just because I didn't know I was going to put disc brakes on this thing yet. So this is going to leak pretty bad, but basically what I'm going to be doing, I already have a hole there, that's for one of them. I'm going to have to cut out here to here, and there's going to be brake fluid everywhere, and I'm going to have to bleed everything, so this is going to be fun. Alright, so I'm on the rear axle now. I already took out all the old lines and the old drum setups. Those are over there. I already cut some lengths of tubing. This is the copper nickel stuff that I've used for the rest of the truck. So the only bad thing that I'm going to see here is that the hoses are facing that way, and on the original diff, the brake lines were just going straight into the backing plate, just straight here. So that might be a challenge, especially because the hooks for the brake line are here. But I'll figure that out. Alright, so I have the driver's side line made. Now I know that this does not have any support on it as of right now, but I will look into getting a something either to go underneath this U-bolt or possibly welding a bracket on here. But for now, that should be fine. I'm gonna set you guys up over here to get that side done, and I think I'm gonna do it the same fashion, kind of just a little 90 up above the axle. All right, so I have both sides done. I had it ran to this little clamp here, away from that piece there, and then I have it clamped up, the original clamp that is for that diff bolt into the block. Everything's tightened down. I still need to, where's my hammer? Tamp down this side here so it doesn't move. Now I just gotta bleed the brakes, so I don't think I'm gonna have any video of that. It's really boring. I mean, I know most of this is boring, but bleeding brakes is pretty straightforward. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and consider subscribing.